So welcome to another 0 to 60. This is another quick bike video timed run session. It is a 2013 CBR500r. Now in Australia this is a learner approved bike. It's definitely not a massive powerhouse. Not really sure how it's going to go time wise. They are rated at 43 horsepower, which is probably alright considering what they weigh. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Let's go and see what it can do. And in case anyone is wondering how we get the times done, we use this lovely little device, a VBox Sport. Well, that is the timed runs done. 5.65 was the fastest we got. We did about 5 runs. I'll list all the times up there. It was really easy to ride. These things are so rider friendly. I think it'd be hard to be intimidated by one of them, but I can't believe how quick it was. It's beaten the V10 M5, the black one that we did a few months ago. That is absolutely insane for a learner bike. It's beaten the KLX. The KLX feels so much faster than this. This is just such an easy, gentle bike to ride. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.